Hello, everyone. Welcome back. Did you know that after the age of 30, we lose about 3 to 5% of our muscle every decade? And by the time we reach 60, that loss can speed up dramatically. It's called sarcopenia, age-related muscle loss, and it's one of the main reasons many people struggle to stay strong, mobile, and independent as they age. Most people think the solution is simple: eat more eggs. But what if I told you that eggs aren't the best option for building muscle after 60? There are actually 10 humble, affordable, and often overlooked foods that can help you rebuild strength and muscle, even in your golden years. Stay with me, because by the end of this video, you'll know exactly which food beats eggs for muscle growth after 60. And it's something you might have never heard of before. As we age, our bodies produce less of certain hormones, like testosterone and growth hormone. Both are key to muscle maintenance. Our cells also become less sensitive to protein, meaning we don't absorb amino acids as efficiently as we used to. That's why older adults can eat the same amount of protein as when they were younger, yet still lose muscle. And when we lose muscle, we lose balance, energy, and independence. But here is the good news: science shows it's never too late to rebuild muscle, if you fuel your body with the right foods. So let's count down 10 surprising muscle-building foods that work even better than eggs for people over 60. Let's start with a classic that deserves more attention. Number 10, cottage cheese, the nighttime muscle builder. Cottage cheese is packed with casein protein, a slow-digesting form of protein that releases amino acids gradually throughout the night. This makes it perfect as an evening snack, because your muscles keep getting fed even while you sleep. It's also rich in leucine, one of the key amino acids responsible for triggering muscle protein synthesis, the process your body uses to build and repair muscle tissue. And the best part? Cottage cheese contains calcium and vitamin B12, both essential for maintaining bone strength and energy metabolism, two things that support your overall muscle function as you age. Next up, one of the most underestimated sources of complete plant protein. Number 9. Tofu, the plant protein powerhouse. Made from soybeans, tofu provides all 9 essential amino acids your muscles need. It's also rich in isoflavones, which have been shown in studies to help maintain muscle mass and support bone health in older adults, especially women after menopause. What makes tofu special is that it's also low in saturated fat and high in iron and magnesium, both crucial for delivering oxygen to your muscles and helping them contract properly. So if you want a plant-based protein that rivals meat and eggs, tofu is your best friend. Number 8 might surprise you: chickpeas, also known as garbanzo beans, the gentle strength builder. They're rich in plant-based protein and complex carbohydrates, giving you steady energy for physical activity. Each cup of cooked chickpeas contains about 15 grams of protein and a good dose of folate and phosphorus, nutrients that help your body produce new cells and repair tissue. Chickpeas are also high in fiber, which helps improve digestion and keeps your gut microbiome healthy, something many people overlook when trying to improve muscle and overall health. The secret benefit? The combination of carbs and protein in chickpeas helps your body use amino acids more efficiently, supporting muscle growth after workouts or daily activity. Next, don't underestimate the little fish in a tin. Canned sardines are one of the most powerful muscle foods you can buy. Number 7, canned sardines, the omega-3 muscle booster. They're loaded with high-quality protein, omega-3 fatty acids, and vitamin D, all of which are essential for muscle function. Omega-3s, especially EPA and DHA, help reduce inflammation and improve muscle protein synthesis, even in older adults. And sardines are also rich in calcium, because you can eat the bones, making them great for keeping your bones strong while you build muscle. Just make sure to choose sardines packed in water or olive oil, not in heavy sauces. Number 6 is an ancient grain that's coming back: millet, the forgotten ancient grain. Millet is naturally gluten-free, high in fiber, and surprisingly rich in plant protein and magnesium. Magnesium plays a key role in muscle contraction and relaxation, helping to prevent cramps and fatigue during exercise or daily movement. It also supports enzyme function that helps your body convert protein into muscle tissue. Unlike refined grains like white rice, millet provides a steady release of energy, which keeps you active longer and supports better recovery. Number 5. Mussels, the sea's protein gem. If you enjoy seafood, mussels are a fantastic and affordable source of lean protein. They contain around 20 grams of protein per 3-ounce serving, plus iron, selenium, and vitamin B12, all vital nutrients for healthy muscle metabolism. Mussels are also rich in omega-3s and taurine, an amino acid that supports muscle contraction and heart health. Unlike red meat, mussels are low in fat and have anti-inflammatory properties that help your body recover faster after activity. They're truly a muscle-friendly superfood from the ocean. Number 4. Nori seaweed, the mineral miracle. Now, this one might sound strange. Nori, the seaweed used in sushi rolls. But don't overlook it. Nori is packed with iodine, zinc, and iron, which help your thyroid and metabolism, both essential for maintaining lean muscle. It also contains protein, vitamin C, and antioxidants that help protect your muscle cells from oxidative stress, one of the causes of muscle aging. Eating a few sheets of roasted nori as a snack or adding it to soups can help you get trace minerals that are often missing from modern diets. And these minerals are crucial for keeping your muscles strong and responsive. Number 3 on our list is spirulina, the algae athlete's secret, a blue-green algae that's often sold as a powder. Spirulina contains about 60–70% protein by weight, making it one of the most protein-dense foods on the planet. What makes it truly special for people over 60 is its high content of phycocyanin, an antioxidant pigment that reduces muscle inflammation and boosts endurance. It's also rich in iron, B vitamins, and beta-carotene, which helps support energy production and protect muscle cells from damage. A teaspoon of spirulina powder in a smoothie each morning can go a long way toward keeping your muscles nourished and your energy levels steady. At number 2, we have a rare but powerful food, earth almonds, also known as tiger nuts, the ancient energy source. Despite the name, they're not nuts. They're small root tubers, rich in resistant starch and plant-based protein. They provide a steady energy source for muscles and support gut health by feeding beneficial bacteria, which in turn improves nutrient absorption. Earth almonds also contain arginine, an amino acid that helps improve blood flow to muscles, supporting recovery and strength. They're also rich in vitamin E, which protects your cells from oxidative stress, keeping your muscles youthful and functional. And finally, the number 1 food that beats eggs for muscle growth after 60, teff grain, the hidden muscle-building champion. Teff is a tiny ancient grain from Ethiopia, and it's a complete protein, meaning it has all essential amino acids your body needs. But that's just the beginning. Teff is also rich in lysine, an amino acid that plays a key role in collagen formation and muscle repair, something older adults especially need. It's packed with iron, calcium, and resistant starch, supporting both energy levels and digestion. Because teff digests slowly, it keeps your blood sugar stable, giving you lasting energy for physical activity and muscle recovery. Studies have shown that teff helps improve endurance, muscle tone, and strength, all without the cholesterol or saturated fat found in many animal proteins. It's also gentle on the stomach and gluten-free, making it ideal for older adults with sensitive digestion. Now, before we wrap up, here are 3 simple tips to make these muscle foods work even better for you. Tip number 1. Space your protein throughout the day. Your body can only use about 25–30 grams of protein at a time for muscle building. So instead of one big meal, have protein in every meal: breakfast, lunch, and dinner. Tip number 2. Stay active with resistance training. Even light exercises like chair squats, wall push-ups, or light dumbbells can signal your muscles to grow. Nutrition alone isn't enough. Muscles need movement to stay strong. Tip number 3, don't forget hydration and sleep. Muscles repair while you sleep, and dehydration can make them stiff and weak. Aim for 7 to 8 hours of quality sleep and enough water every day. So, to recap, here are the 10 muscle-building foods better than eggs for people over 60. Cottage cheese, slow-digesting nighttime protein. Tofu, plant-based complete protein. Chickpeas, protein plus steady energy. Canned sardines, omega-3, and calcium powerhouse millet. Magnesium-rich ancient grain mussels. Lean iron-packed sea protein. Nori, mineral-rich seaweed spirulina. Antioxidant super protein. Earth almonds, gut-friendly energy booster. And teff grain, the complete gentle muscle builder. Building muscle after 60 isn't about eating like a bodybuilder. It's about feeding your body smart, gentle, and complete nutrition consistently. So, next time you think about muscle food, skip the eggs and try one of these superfoods instead. Because strength after 60 isn't about age. It's about nourishment and consistency. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, share it with someone who's looking to stay strong after 60, and subscribe for more science-backed nutrition tips. Remember, it's never too late to get stronger, healthier, and more vibrant. You just need the right fuel.
Thank you for coming in today, and I'll see you at your next appointment.